Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 408 and today I will show you how we can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen. And it looks like battery or power saving mode or battery saver as it's called right here. It's visible right at the top, so we don't even need to do this kind of extension. It's right at the top. Anyway, once you see this toggle, simply press on it. It will give you this pop-up, battery saver is on, and as you can see, it drops down the brightness of the display just a little bit. So that's one of the visible changes. It also has this filling into the battery in a different color just to kind of signify that the power saving mode is now enabled. And there's also probably a bunch of different things happening in the background, but the phone never specifies it, so I'm not really gonna go into it. Now, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by obviously tapping on the toggle once again, and everything will go back to functioning normally as it did before. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.